Most people who start TikTok Shop Affiliate have no idea what kind of video actually sells. They pick a product, film something, post it, and wonder why nobody's buying. And the answer isn't the product, it's the format. There are so many video styles that are already proven to go viral on TikTok Shop. Not sometimes, not randomly, but actually consistently. Because they're built around hitting pain points in the hook that actually make people stop scrolling. And once you fully understand the format, going viral stops feeling like luck and feeling like a format that you can repeat over and over again. So in this video, I'm gonna break down some of the exact TikTok Shop Affiliate styles that are actually able to do this, what it looks like, how to structure the hook, and how to keep repeating this process over and over. First things first, before we dive into the very first video style, if you're completely new to this and don't know what TikTok Shop Affiliate is and how it actually works and how you can make money from it, all you're doing is posting videos about a product that's already on TikTok Shop. And every time somebody that sees your video purchases the product from your video, you get a commission for it. Then you literally just withdraw your commissions from inside the app. It's very seamless and it goes right to your bank account or PayPal or whatever you want to link it to. So yeah, the whole idea behind TikTok Shop is you post a video, it goes viral, and the more people that see it, statistically, you're gonna have a more higher chance of getting more people to buy it. More views equals more sales 99% of the time. And when you see formats that work, like this one that we're about to go over, you can just replicate it over and over again, which is what this person is doing. As you can see, this video was posted 5 days ago. You can't see it right now, but you can see that this is eligible for commission. If I was on mobile, you would see that these shorts that he's talking about are linked on this video. So every time somebody buys one of the pairs from the shorts from this video, this dude gets a commission every single time. And as you can see, this video is already at 11,000 likes and it's over 1 million views. And this is not like the creator rewards program where your video length has to be over a minute long or anything like that. You just have to stay inside the TOS, which is the terms of service guidelines on TikTok Shop, which just means don't say anything exaggerated. Like don't say these shorts are going to make you become a millionaire tomorrow. And then just don't claim it's a price that it's not. And then obviously just no unoriginal content either. But let's just take a look at this video so you can see what type of style is actually working 5 days ago, by the way.
Notice how every professional athlete, celebrity, and influencer that actually looks good wearing shorts, they're always rocking the same exact style. Like it's never them ugly basketball shorts, or even worse, the cargos. No, guys like this are always wearing that 5-inch inseam because it shows off the quads, making you look taller and gives actual mobility. But you don't gotta drop a bag on a single pair of shorts like that like the celebrities do, because you can get not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but 5 pairs of these 5-inch inseam shorts for the price of just one of them. Which is crazy because they come with deep zipper pockets that don't stick out, an elastic waistband with the drawstrings to adjust it, that perfect stretchy fabric for mobility, and super simple sizing because they do fit true to size. Only problem though is that with the massive sale, a lot of the colors are already selling out. So if you still see your size and the colors that you want, then go and grab yourself some before they're all gone.
So notice this hook first of all. The reason that this is an eye-catching hook is for the first 5 to 8 seconds, he's literally pointing out people that people are already familiar with. So he's pointing to very well-known celebrities wearing the product or using the product. It's a very easy way to grab attention and actually hold people through your hook, because obviously your video is not going to perform if people just swipe past in the first 3 seconds. But people will actually stick through and watch this type of hook because it's already people that they know. So they're going to be like, oh, is this about Logan Paul? Or is this about Jake Paul? Like, what's going on? And then even when they realize that this is a video about the shorts, or they see the shorts linked on the video, they're going to be like, oh, well, was Logan Paul or the celebrity that I know wearing these shorts? Like, there's so many different thoughts that can run through people's mind when they are watching a video that incorporates somebody that they already know about, or somebody that they're interested in general. Not only is it really eye-catching just because there's celebrities in the first few seconds, the format of somebody just talking about another person is usually controversial and people will think it's stemming from like an argument or a disagreement. So people are gonna be interested when they see some sort of controversy or what might look like controversy to them. And I mean, he did the same exact style again, but without celebrities, which just goes to show that the format is actually another key factor to why this works. You can't just make a random video about a celebrity wearing the shorts. You have to actually use the format that's working, which is using yourself as a green screen and talking about what the shorts look like on other people and why they wear it a certain way. So let's look at this video.
So anytime you see a guy looking good in shorts, they're always wearing that 5-inch inseam. I mean, literally every single time. And notice how shorts like this actually show off the quads, actually give mobility for that everyday use, and they just in general look way better than this. I mean, that just looks tragic. And no, you don't gotta drop your entire paycheck on a single pair of shorts like those guys do, because you can get not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but 5 pairs of these 5-inch inseam shorts for the price of just one of them. Which is crazy because they come with zipper pockets on both sides, an elastic waistband with the drawstrings to adjust it, really soft and stretchy fabric, and you don't have to guess with sizing because they do fit true to size. There's also a bunch of different color combinations that you can pick from. Only problem though is that with the massive sale, a lot of the sizes are already selling out. So if you still see your size and the colors that you want, then go and grab yourself some before they're all gone.
And now about 30 seconds in, watch this part of the video again.
Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, but 5 pairs of these 5.
That is another example of a really good hook that actually visually gets people involved with the video. If you've been in TikTok Shop for at least the last like 5 months, you've definitely seen this style as a hook so many different times with so many different pairs of shorts or so many different pairs of shirts. And we can even see that happen with another video right here that was posted literally a day ago. It got like 15K views, but it's using that exact same framework that was in this video about 30 seconds in as the hook. So you can definitely still incorporate multiple hook styles of clips, even if it's in the middle of your video.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs of shorts for that price. It's
literally the same exact thing. And notice how he says for that price. That's a very good way to actually mention something without technically saying the price is on sale or it's a certain price. Because if you say the price is on sale for something, even if it is on sale, and that video is posted and it's like a week later and then all of a sudden the brand turns off the sale, your video will likely get a violation because it's not on sale. Same thing with mentioning a price. If they end up changing the price, your video will get violated. So the best thing to do is say something like this price right there, or this price right now. Like, don't mention anything extremely specific. Now here's another example. He literally posted these videos with the same exact style back to back, and he got 56K views and 40K views right back to back. And as you can see with all the other styles he's doing, it's clearly not working as well. So I don't know why he's not just sticking to the style that's working and rinsing and repeating it. But let's just take a look at what this actual style is.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 pairs of athletic shorts less.
Just like that, doing a curl and saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of athletic shorts or whatever it was. And once again, that's a hook framework that we literally just talked about. Like, there are so many simple hooks that you can take inspiration from and make it on your own. People just watch the ones where it goes from a countdown sort of thing, like 1, 2, 3, 4, while you're actively doing something. Also, when you notice that a video has 50,000 views or something crazy and not a lot of engagement at all, you would think this is a bad sign for the video or the conversions, but this is technically a really good sign because it's showing that the video is not getting pushed due to how much people watch the video or how much it got engaged with, because obviously a video with this many views and that much engagement is not going to be performing well if it's a regular video. The only reason this video is performing so well is because it's highly converting. So a lot of these viewers are actually buying the product. When brands see that, they will push the video more because they can put a lot of ad spend in the best converting videos. So yeah, 50K views with basically no engagement is a really good sign that there's actually a lot of people buying from this video. Now let's take a look at the video he posted right after it.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 pairs of athletic shorts.
Same exact thing. And if you guys didn't want to put yourself on the camera, this is super easy to replicate completely with AI. Just to show you, I mean, these are some of our results from Creator Labs Premium, which I'll have in the description. But Yusuf completely grew this page in a single week using an AI niche that we have inside of our program. This was just one of Faith's 1.3K days, but she hit this like back to back to back. Made like 5K in a week with AI content on TikTok Shop. Same thing here for the Creator Rewards program, again for the Creator Rewards program. So this just goes to show that you can actually do a lot of this stuff with AI. It's really not that hard to start posting AI content when it comes to TikTok Shop. So I'll also have that video. I have a small tutorial for a little bit of that on my YouTube channel. I'll have that link down below in the description. But I mean, as you can see, the hook framework worked back to back and all of a sudden he's not doing it ever again. That is really not what you want to do. You want to rinse and repeat a framework that actually works. If it's already working, why would you stop doing it? And if it's not working with every other style, if it's already working, there's no point in stopping it. All right, now this video, same exact framework, different style of a hook, doing two things at once to keep the viewer's attention involved. All he's doing is he's cutting whatever this is with this knife while reading the hook. And obviously he's not reading it off of paper, he hasn't memorized and he's just speaking it. And he's doing the same thing, but instead of using a knife, he's using a spatula this time. So another viewer confusion point right there. The viewer is gonna be confused at first at watching this video because this is what it looks like as soon as you scroll in the video and you're like, what is this guy doing with a spatula? There's no food in the video, so he's not using the spatula for food. Now is he cutting into whatever this is with the spatula? Now I wanna know what this is. There's so many different things that these styles of hooks actually pain point in people's minds, which is why you have to rip these. When it's literally just the most normal video of all time with like just you speaking to the camera, holding a product in your hand, with nothing else going on, there's no reason for people to be interested in your video. You have to do things like this. So let's just take a look at this video.
Always read the reviews before buying a new skincare product, because I bought the Alaskan volcanic clay stick that everyone's been talking about and I already have to return mine. Not because it uses glycolic acid, which is the strongest exfoliant to help dig out the gunk from your pores that look like this, or because it's loaded with collagen to help remove those fine lines and textured skin that look like this, or because it uses Alaskan volcanic clay to help detoxify those dead skin cells that look like this, and definitely not because it's a hands-free roll-on mask so it doesn't leave a mess on your fingers like this. Yeah, it's really good for those reasons. I'm just really annoyed because when I bought mine, Skintific decided to charge me full freaking price. And as of today, they just put it on a massive sale and it's currently the cheapest I've ever seen. I don't know if somebody at Skintific is getting fired or something, but if you've been wanting to try this, I would grab it now because they just restocked them and they're already selling out.
And then also with what he says, it's kind of like a clickbait hook because he's not actually like being negative about the product. But it says, don't forget to read the reviews right here. And he's saying, don't forget to read the reviews when you get a skincare product as if it was bad, and he's showing it with a knife. So him not already putting it on his fingers is also telling the viewers, oh, is it actually bad? Is it toxic to your skin? Like, that's the only thing that I can think of. There's so many other things that other people think when seeing this type of hook, and it's proven to work because this video has over 1 million views. Now let's see how he does this again.
This is why you always read the reviews before buying a new skincare product. Because I just got the Skintific Alaskan Clay Mask that everybody's been yapping about and I already have to return mine. Not because it has glycolic acid to actually dig out the gunk from your pores that look like this, or because it's loaded with collagen to help fix those fine lines and textured skin that looks like this, or because it uses Alaskan volcanic clay to help detoxify those dead skin cells that look like this, or because it's a roll-on mask so it doesn't leave a mess on your fingers like this. Yeah.
Same exact format. All right, now this style is for the exact same product that we were going over, but it is another different style of a hook. And these videos are specifically going viral because he's using a leaf as a demonstration for what the product does. So right in the beginning, when people see this, it's not a typical ad for them. It's actually something that they're interested in because it's not a typical ad going on their face. It's going on a leaf. But obviously he does incorporate the product on his face to actually show what it does to a human. But the main reason he's doing this and performing it on a leaf for the hook is because it's something people aren't really used to seeing. Everybody on TikTok Shop is performing the product on their face for the hook. Why not do it for a leaf to see what happens to a leaf? Might sound stupid, but it works. So let's just take a look.
You guys want me to do it on a leaf? Well, to be fair, the dots do look like our pores, but I do also have some gnarly looking blackheads as well. So it just makes sense if I try it on my skin as we wait. This is actually a Korean volcano clay mask. You want to spread this all over your face so like glycolic acid can get deep inside of your pores and literally suck all the junk that's stuck inside of your pores. Ew, you can already see what it's pulling out of my skin. It has literally not been 10 minutes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's see what it did to the leaf. Yeah, didn't do anything. Let's see, for my skin, it just wipes off super easily. Ooh, shit, look at that. Got a little stuff out. That's disgusting. All right, I just wiped off my face, but you can clearly see that difference. Also, look at the difference it made my nose. My blackheads are basically all gone. I'm not joking. I've seen this stuff sell out twice because of how cheap they are. And literally right when they came back, I bought like 2 more. If you guys actually see an orange car somewhere down below in this video, and they're still that cheap, just make sure you get them before they sell out again.
Same exact thing right here, so let's just take a look at this video.
Not sure why everyone wants me to try it on a leaf. Maybe because the holes look like our skin pores, but I also have some dirty busted pores too. So I might as well try it on my skin while we wait.
Nick, you just dropped the zero pore clay mask.
It has A, B, and PHA in it, which if you've seen the transformations, you know it sucks out everything. Dude, you can already see what it's pulling out. I literally just put this on. That is disgusting.
So yeah, you already know what this video consists of. The whole reason the hook works is because people aren't used to seeing it being performed on something that's not them. So take inspiration from a hook like this. Don't perform it on a leaf. I mean, you can, but do something more eye-catching. I've already seen multiple people do it with strawberries. And if you can't come up with ideas, use AI. Literally just talk to AI like it's your best friend. And tell it to disregard your feelings, so that way it's not giving you any biased answers. But yeah, overall, when it comes to mastering TikTok Shop affiliate hooks, take inspiration from what works, put your own twist on it, make it better, and understand the key reasons to why these actually work. But other than that, if you guys wanted to work directly with me, I'll have the link to Creator Labs Premium like I already mentioned down below in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.